Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail two-factor authentication issues. Whether you're unable to receive verification codes, your Authenticator app is generating invalid codes, or you're locked out of your account because of a two-factor authentication problem. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the authentication code correctly. Two-factor authentication codes expire quickly, so even a short delay can cause a valid code to be rejected. Generate a fresh code and enter it immediately. Next, check the date and time settings on your device. Authenticator apps rely on accurate system time to create valid verification codes. If your device clock is incorrect, the codes may not match Proton Mail servers. Once access is restored, generate new backup codes and store them in a secure location. This can make future account recovery much easier if you encounter authentication issues again. And that's how to fix Proton Mail two-factor authentication issues. By checking your device time, authenticator settings, backup codes, and recovery options, you can resolve most authentication problems and regain access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.